In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left and click on this three-line icon, and then you want to go to the bottom where it says copy. Now, when you're in here, this is basically where you can copy trade. Now, over here, you have like a bunch of different strategies. You can go and copy trade. You can have your favorites as well. So if you want to add any of these to favorites, you can just click on that button over here, the star button, and it's going to get added to your favorites. Now, of course, there's separate copying strategies. You could go to up here and select either live or demo or all, and this is going to allow you to basically start copying. So when you find a strategy, of course, make sure you do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to basically physically press buttons to get there. You want to go and click on start copying. When you find the one you think you want to start copying, then you can set your account, your amount, stuff like that. And then down here, you can then click on start copying. Now, right now, I can't do this because I'm on my demo account. So I'm going to switch over to demo and actually demonstrate this. I'm going to just select this first one over here. I'm going to click on start copying, and then I can select the account, then the amount. I'm just going to do, let's just do a 10K of my demo funds over here. There we go. Or actually, let's do 100. And whenever you do that, you can just click on start copying, and it's going to basically start it over here. As you can see, it says started. You could go and add funds if you wanna. You can go and track everything over here, and yeah, that's essentially how you can copy trade on cTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.